Yeah, it's again becoming commonplace now to look outside and just see that milky look to the sky, as we're not catching any breaks at all from this wildfire smoke that's lingering about the four-state region, and for that matter, most of the eastern part of the country. Down to the south, they're seeing a lot of rainfall and active weather that's suppressing a lot of that smoke. But otherwise, once you get away from some of the soggier conditions, it's just smoky out there, and it's not going to be going anywhere because the overall pattern we're going to be seeing, hot, quiet, and very, very calm overall, well, it's not exactly going to clear out this smoke anytime soon. And yes, it's rather warm out there as we just passed noontime, as we're mostly in the middle 80s, a few upper 80s closer to the coast, and then some upper 70s into the mountains. And today is going to be another day where we're going to make it back into the 90s, but it's still going to be feeling comfortable at the very least. Despite those temperatures going up, dew points still remain mostly in the 60s, which is not bad at all for mid to late July. That is extremely comfortable, as a matter of fact, for this time of year. So smoky skies continuing with the sunshine still expected. We are going to be a little bit breezy then on your Wednesday as a cold front drops from the north, bringing about just some slightly breezier conditions and even more dry air, as Thursday will be the most comfortable day by far this week. And we're not going to have any rainfall back in the forecast then, despite that front, until the weekend. That's when more moisture will return and give us a better chance at some rainfall. But here we go. The reason it's so quiet, there's that frontal boundary to the south, keeping away a lot of that humidity and keeping activity to our south. And then the other front is off to our north. We're wedged in between, so that's why skies will remain pretty sunny, other than that haze in the sky throughout the day today. Now, that cold front does approach tomorrow. Most of the activity, though, will be right through the northeastern part of the country. That's where there's better forcing, also better amounts of moisture to create those showers and storms. Here in the four-state region, we may see a spotty shower, but that's about it tomorrow. So the air is just going to be too dry for any sort of decent development. And then once that front is through the area, nonetheless, it's going to start to feel a lot more comfortable and even a little bit cooler as we go Wednesday night into Thursday. And so part of the reason we're seeing this overall pattern set up in that front dropping our direction is this upper level trough that's situated over the northeastern part of the country. But this is also bringing in a lot of that smoke from those wildfires out west. The flow is directing it right into the four-state region, which is why those skies are going to remain smoky, and I don't expect to see them clearing out any time soon, as we continue to have fairly dry, fairly warm, and again, just calm conditions outside of that front, bringing in some drier and more comfortable air tomorrow. There's that better chance for rainfall Saturday into Sunday. It's looking like the weekend is going to be our soggiest days yet, but it's not looking like an all-day soaker any one of those days as we hold temperatures in the 90s.